The Taiwanese brand Unilove has entered the US market with a high chair that's functional, stylish, and pretty affordable. Let's take a look at the Unilove Grow With Me high chair. Hi, I'm Katie Ferraro. I'm a registered dietitian and mom of 7. I specialize in infant feeding and baby-led weaning. And let me tell you, I've used a lot of high chairs with my own kids and the babies that I work with in my infant feeding practice. And I was pleasantly surprised when I got introduced to the Unilove Grow With Me high chair. So Unilove is a Taiwanese brand started by 2 brothers. And the name of their company, Unilove, is a combination of unique and love to describe the unique love that you have for your child, which I think is just a beautiful name for a brand. Now, while Unilove had previously focused on the Asian market, they recently launched their high chairs in the United States. They have a portable high chair that I really like, but their full-size standard high chair, the Grow With Me, is the one I think is actually pretty cool. The Grow With Me high chair is a mid-range priced chair. It's a pretty solid option. Okay, it has an adjustable footrest that goes to 3 different levels. Now that's important because your baby's feet resting flat on a solid foot plate helps them stabilize their core and supports a safe swallow. So the Unilove Grow With Me high chair, the footrest goes to 3 different levels. It also has the ability to adjust the seat height. Okay, and that's important for helping your baby achieve what we call safe high chair positioning. So your baby is positioned properly in their high chair when their waist is at a 90-degree angle, when their knees are at a 90-degree angle, and when their ankles are at a 90-degree angle. So if you're looking to achieve that in a high chair, you're going to need an adjustable seat height and an adjustable footrest. The Unilove Grow With Me, that footrest goes to 3 different levels, but the seat goes to 6 different levels. This high chair is made out of an aluminum frame. It weighs about 15 pounds, which is kind of middle of the road, and thankfully, you can remove the straps and wash them because things do get messy when you're starting solid foods. One kind of unusual thing about this high chair, though, is that you can bring the baby up to the table. So you can take the tray off and bring your baby up to the table to join you in family meals from their first bites. But there's kind of this strange 1.5-inch gap over the table, okay? And that's different. Most standard high chairs in the United States go to about 29 inches high. This one's a bit higher. It's not a deal breaker, okay? This is still a great high chair at an affordable price. I like all of the different color options. I'll link to the Grow With Me in the video description, along with the special offer if you want to check this high chair out. But all in all, I think it's a pretty solid high chair at a pretty affordable price.